National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Alexander County, Illinois, southern Ballard County, Kentucky, western Carlisle County, Kentucky, northwestern Hickman County, Kentucky, Mississippi County, Missouri, until 5 p.m. At 1:48 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen, locally over 5 inches near Wyatt and Wycliffe. The expected rainfall rate is 2 to 2.5 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Charleston, East Prairie, Carroll, La Center, Bardwell, Wycliffe, Towasaji State Historic Site, Barlow, Wyatt, Anniston, Keble, Columbus, Wilson City, and Blandville. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following county: Mississippi, Missouri, and Alexander, Illinois, and the following counties in Kentucky: Ballard, Carlisle, and Hickman.